We have reported frequently on Hitson Cabinets. Many customers have complained that the jobs they paid for are nowhere near finished.
A Chattanooga law firm has filed an involuntary Chapter 7 bankruptcy against Hitson Cabinets. Dallas Payton spoke with the attorney for the case. Dallas.
Cindy David, bankruptcy attorney Kimberly Cambron is representing 4 of Hitson Cabinets customers who have paid for cabinets and are still waiting. Chattanooga legal group bankruptcy attorney Kimberly Cambron says filing an involuntary Chapter 7 bankruptcy is not as common, but is the best choice in this case.
Usually think of someone going to file a bankruptcy on their own, but in this situation, it's where the creditors themselves get together. A minimum of 3 creditors have to get together and effectively force that entity or that individual into a bankruptcy, and that's what we have done.
Cambron says she was approached a week ago about the matter and was able to gather enough information to file it on Friday.
Once they are served and their registered agent, since it's a business, gets served with the bankruptcy initiating petition, they have 21 days under court rules to file an answer and say, yes, certainly we'll stay in the bankruptcy, or no, we don't need to stay in the bankruptcy and it needs to be dismissed.
Cambron explained that it can only be dismissed if Hitson Cabinets can prove that they can pay up. Out of the 4 customers being represented, they have spent more than $150,000 with the company. One paid at minimum $10,000 more than the rest.
Out of our group so far, it's about $64,000, and they've waited 6 months or more. So it's been a while. It's been a minute for all of them.
Cambron says the goal is to liquidate any assets that are found to pay the creditors.
We would do everything we can to find records, witnesses, or any other information that could tell us maybe where this money went if it wasn't going to the vendors to pay for the materials. Where did it go? And is there going to be money left once items liquidated, equipment, tools, other cabinets that were in like a showroom or anything else, a building?
The owner, Gary Henson, says his statement stands the same of what he shared with Local 3 on a previous story. The company is currently in confidential discussions regarding customer orders, and they are hopeful for a resolution soon. Please know we are reaching out to each customer individually about their order. Information on how other customers can join the case can be found under this story. David?